So guys, I've just received the AirPods. These took around 8 days to arrive to my house. So now we're going to be seeing how quick I can sell them. So if you guys have watched my previous videos, you guys would have known that I've sold these AirPods in the past before. So all I have to do is just click relist and the AirPods will be up and running. So now that they're live, I'm just going to get to unbox them and package them up. So when I get an order, what I have to do is print out the shipping label, slap it on, and that's it. This is so I'm not wasting any time and I'm being as efficient as possible. So as this is a challenge video, I'm going to start the timer on my iPad and we're going to see how long it takes me to sell these 10 pairs of AirPods, starting now. So guys, it's been approximately 13 minutes and I've managed to package these 10 orders already. Now normally I don't do this with 10, I normally do this with around 30 to 40 AirPods in one sitting. So it takes me around an hour normally. So it has been 17.5 minutes and I've already got an offer for £30. And normally I don't accept offers this low. However, I'm just gonna accept this offer. So if you guys want all of the information, who the supplier is, what description to put so your listing does not get taken down, please be sure to message me on my Twitter. I will be selling all the information I've gathered from all the experience I have from selling the AirPods and making sure the listing does not get taken down. So please be sure to message me on my Twitter. Guys, currently it is nearly been 2 hours into the challenge and we've just gotten our second sale and it is only 3:30. Now guys, I'm going to go and ship those 2 orders off and I'm going to show you guys the process of me printing out the labels, slapping them on and then going to the post office. Guys, I was literally just about to leave my house to head to the post office and we managed to get another sale. So that's 3 sales in just about 2.5 hours. So I'm going to get this package quick and I'm going to leave. So I've just shipped the 3 AirPods to the post office and they should be arriving to the customers in just a few short days. So guys, sorry for the bad lighting, but as I was heading back from shipping off the 3 parcels, we got an offer for 2 for £75, which comes out to 37.50p per pair. So obviously I'm going to take that and I'm probably going to try and ship them today. If not, I'll just go early tomorrow and ship those with hopefully the other orders which we will get. So guys, in just 3.5 hours we've already sold 5 AirPods and we are at nearly £150. Imagine when I'm doing this with 30, 40, 50 AirPods. And when I have the ads increased even higher, the sales just come in rapid, especially near Christmas. So this is just a quick representation of what you guys can do as long as you put your head down and you manage to be as efficient as possible. So I listed these up at about 1:30, 2 o'clock, and it has been 4 hours and 7 minutes. We've already sold 7 pairs. We've only got 3 pairs left. Now it's 5:52. So people are coming back from work and they're scrolling on the train, on the bus, or at home looking for presents to buy. So now that we've got all of the packages ready, so there's 2 AirPods in this one as the customer ordered 2. These are all singular. So now we're only down to 3 AirPods remaining in just under 4 hours. So this challenge is going very, very good. So guys, after the 7 AirPods that have been sold, we have only 3 left as I just mentioned, and we have made just over £190. So we've already paid off the £100 that the AirPods cost me, and plus we're £90 in profit. So we should be looking at just about £250 to £230 once we've sold the other 3 pairs. So I've just gotten back from the Yodel post office. Here is proof that I have shipped the parcels out. Currently, it's been nearly 5 hours and we've managed to hit just over £200. I'll catch up to you guys once we have a few more sales. Guys, it has been just under 6 hours and we've managed to sell pretty much all the AirPods. We have 1 more pair remaining, so I'll let you guys know once we've sold that pair. So guys, it has been 5 hours and 50 minutes since I've started the challenge and we've managed to sell all 10 AirPods. We started the challenge at around 3 o'clock and the time currently is $8.56, as you guys can see. So this just goes to show exactly how fast you guys can make this money and how simple it is. So as the post office currently isn't open, I'm going to package up this order. I've already packaged up the other 3 orders that we got, and I'm going to wake up at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning and I'm going to go ship them. So guys, I just woke up. The time is currently 5:26. I'm just about to do some editing. I'm going to leave to go to the post office soon. I've got my coffee here, so I'm just going to do some editing, eat this toast, drink up this coffee, and I'm going to head to the post office. Well, so I'll catch 7. It's really dark. Now we're heading to the post office and we're going to drop it off. So guys, currently just shipped off the last 3 AirPods, but now we have shipped all of them off, so it's been a good day. So guys, now we're gonna head back after we've just posted those AirPods, and I'll catch up to you guys when I'm at home. So guys, we managed to sell the 10 AirPods. As I showed you guys earlier, I went to ship the other 3 AirPods and we got paid this morning. Screenshot here. eBay sent me an email this morning at like 3:30. Like, oh, we sent you a payout. As I just showed you guys, eBay sent me just over £260, and this was only in 6 hours. And I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I managed to sell a link to the AirPods, £25, so that comes out to £285. Now, if you guys divide 285 by 6, you get £47.5 an hour. £47.5 an hour for just packing something up and going to post it. Simple as that. This business model is super easy, as long as you can not get your listing taken down, and I know how to do this. So as I mentioned earlier, if you guys want all the tips and tricks to not get your listing taken down, the right price, the right supplier, all of this I will be giving out for a certain price. So please be sure to message me on my Twitter. So guys, as I mentioned in one of my last videos, this will be the penultimate video of the year. This is the second to last video of the year. I've got another video coming out close to the 31st, and that is it. We are done for this year. You know, if you guys have any video suggestions down below, and if you want me to do any more challenges like this, let me know if you guys want to see this with 20, 30, 40, 50 AirPods, because that will be a lot more interesting. This is just to show you guys how much money I can make with 10, how quick I can do it, and how easy it actually was. So as I said, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a like, drop a sub. See you guys in the next video.